Okay, get your math notebook, please. All right, guys. So we already done in 3 theorems, right? So the first one is we have angle at the center twice. So we already done this, right? So remember, the central angle is twice from the angle of the circumference, okay? Next is we have a angle made by diameter, okay? So we already done this. This is for number 3. And for number 4, we have this one. So please copy on your notebook. This is the fourth circle theorem. All right. So,
ต้องเข้ารูมใหม่ด้วยจ้า
ไม่ใช่ดิเส้นขาดแล้วเส้นตัดของผมเรียกว่าเส้นตัดแขนได้แขน
งงแล้วเนี่ยอีหยังเนี่ย ข้อเสียของการปิดคือไม่มีโทรศัพท์เข้า
all right, guys. On your notebook, please. So as you can see, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral, if we add up, the opposite is the total is 180. Okay? So if we saw the cyclic quadrilateral, remember that the opposite is equal to 180. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. So let's have an example. Alright, for number 1. So, like what I said, if we have a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite is total of 180. Okay, now what is the value of A, angle A? Remember the opposite. The answer is 88. Okay? So the value of A, angle A is 88 because the opposite is the sum up is 180. Okay? Now, what is the value of B? 70. Okay? Do you understand? The opposite of the cyclic quadrilateral is always sum up is 180. Okay? Now, number 2. How about this? The answer is C is what? 71 degree. Okay? And next is what? 78 degree. Okay? Do you understand? So how about this? As you can see, we have a symbol like this. So represent as the congruent sides. Okay. Now, let's identify what is the value of E. 100. Okay. Now, what is the value of F and G? So, let's identify it. Remember, if you saw this symbol, therefore, the F is also, this is congruent. Therefore, this is 100 degree. Okay? And next is G is 80 degree. Okay? Do you understand? Alright. Next is this one. Okay, what is the value of H? 77 degree. Okay, so what is the value of J? 77. Because we have a symbol like this. And the I is 103 degree. Okay, do you understand? Question? No question? Remember, if you saw the cyclic, it is, the opposite is total of 180. Okay? Alright, next is, we have angles subtended by an arc or a chord in the same segment are equal. So, as you can see, if you have a angle with the same arc, therefore, their angles are equal. Okay? With the same arc. Alright, copy in your notebook, 2 minutes. So this is number 5. Finish? All right, so let's have an example for this one. Angles subtended by arc or a chord with same segment are equal. Okay, for number 1. So what is the value of A? The answer is 13. So like what I said, with the same arc. Okay? So 31 is what is the angle B? 31 degree. Okay? All right, for number 2. What is the value of C? 56 degree. What is the value of D? 9. Okay? Now, how about this? What is the value of E? So, as you can see, every triangle, right, is the total of 180. Now, as you can see, we can also create a triangle here, right? So, what is the value of this to make it 180? The answer is 51 degree. So, the E is 51. Okay? Remember that. Do you understand? So, just figure out what is that triangle. You can make a triangle. Okay. All right. For number 4, what is the value of F? So, remember the symbol like this? The answer is 44 because we have a equal like this, congruent, 44. So 44 degree and also this is a 44 degree. Okay, do you understand? All right, how about this? Number 5. So subtended by arc. Subtended by arc, so this one is 62 also. But what is the value of G? The answer is 15. 15 degree. Okay? So just remember that subtended by arc is equal. Okay? By the angles. Alright. How about this? Number 6. What is the value of H? So observe the triangle. Observe. As you can see, you can create a 90 degree here. Right? So if we have a 90 degree, what is the value of this? A 90 degree. The answer is 18. Okay, so 18 and the H is 18. Okay, do you understand? Yes or no? Okay, so next is we have a angle between the tangent and the radius. Okay, copy on your notebook. 2 minutes. Go. So that is for number 6, right? Finish? Yes or no? Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, for number 1. So again, angle made by a tangent and two radius. So in this case, automatically, we create a 90 degree here. So, what is the value of A? 35. Okay? So, remember that if we have a angle created by a tangent and two radius, we can make a 90 degree. Okay, number 2. So in this case, we can create a two triangle. So therefore, we have a 90 degree here. So what is the value of B? 49. Okay? And then what is the value of C? 65. Okay? So remember that angle made by tangent and two radius is we already have a 90 degree automatically. Now how about this, number 3? How about this number 3? 120. Okay, because we have create a 90 degree here and then this one is 120. Because the total degree of this is equal to 360. Okay? So if you add the 290 degree and then 120 and plus 60 is 360. Because you have created a two triangle here. Two right triangle. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. So try on your notebook 4 and 5. Remember that one triangle is 180 and two triangle is equivalent to 360. Try. First, find the value of x and then identify number 5. If you have a pillar, what is the value? Finish? This one is
เอขีด76 72
finish. Okay, let's answer number 4. So in this case, we just need to add up because every triangle is 180. So we have 4x plus x plus 90 is equal to 180. Okay? So we have 5x and then this one is subtract. So we have 90. And then x is equal to 18. Okay? So, in this case, we have 18 degree and 18 times 4, we have 72 degree. Okay? Do you understand? Who got the correct answer? Okay. So, next, number 5. So, in this case, we have a 290 degree here. So, 1 and 2. So, we need to add up, and this case, we can create a 2 triangle. Therefore, the sum is 360. So, we just need to add up 3x plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 360. Okay? So, again, we just have a 4x and then is equal to what? 180 because we need to subtract it. 180. So, x is equal to 45. So, in this case, the value of x is 45 degree and the 3x equivalent to what? 135 degree. Okay? So, that is the answers. Do you understand? Okay, last theorem is we have this one. Alternate segment theorem. On your notebook, 2 minutes. Finish. Okay, so like what I said, the word alternate. Okay? So we have a angle in the interior and this one for the alternate. Therefore, the angles are equal. Okay? So in this same this with this. So that is equal. Okay, let's have an example. All right, for number 1. So now, what is the value of A if we have a alternate segment theorem? The answer is 73 degree. And how about the B? 82 degree. And how about the C? So remember, we add up is 120. So, 180. So we have 25 degree. Okay? Do you understand? All right, number 2. How about this? The value of D is 30, 36, 36. Alternate. The answer is 85. And then F is 36. And then the E is 59. Okay? So that's it. You understand? The alternate. Okay, get your worksheet now. Get your worksheet. Answer the part 2. The part 2. Flip your paper. Yeah. All of the theorems that we discussed, apply it in the worksheet. That is 1 to 12. So that is called mixed theorem exercises. So answer it now. You can use your notebook as your guide. You can use your notebook. You have a headache.
Why the actual mark in is the circle with center of ไม่ให้กูหามุมนะโทรมาให้อ่ะ
Guys, correction for number 9. This is for number 9. Please copy the degree of 109. 9. Number 9. Additional degree. Finish. Number 9. Copy.
หารสองไม่รู้ว่ากูข้ามไม่รู้จบเยอะแล้ว
5 minutes.
ว่าเบอร์67อ่ะอ๋อใช่กูตอบดีแล้วกับเท่าไหร่ข้อ11หัวมุมตรงข้าม11ข้าง วงส่งรายการรู้จักไหมทำเรียน2 รูปส่งรายการว่าวงเดียวกันไม่รู้อ่ะคิดตัวกูอ่ะวงด้านบนข้าวสีด้านบนข้าวสีด้านบนหนังสีข้าวสีข้าวบนเพื่อคนให้ความชัดช่วยรู้พี่แบบ
แบบแล้วเดินเขาถูกจังเลยเรื่องหัวเราะถ่ายตัวกูบอกเลยที่ทุกคนหมดจากการเล่นเกมกูให้การได้พูดดูเรื่อง
3 minutes.
เล่นไก่ก้าวแล้วเล่นคุณดูว่าคุณแล้วพอถึงเล่นเป็นการเกมก็เหมือนว่าเล่นไอดีคอเฮ้ยอะไร
All right, so finish or not finish, pass it now. Pass forward. Pass it forward. 10. 9. Okay, guys, so I will check this. So that's it for today. Good luck on your exam and goodbye.